Magandang hapon. Narito na ang 2 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Miyerkules, September 11, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw, 15 and 29 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw, 4, 4 and 6 in exact order. Abangan natin mamayang gabi ang Mega Lotto 645 na may 35 million. At ang Grand Lotto 655 na may 29 million. Lotto schedules mamayang gabi. Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.